Welcome to IndianShareTips.com. Today is 29th June 2021 and yesterday Nirmala Sitharaman conference oblique announcements have become a non-event for the market, and market is now looking for the fresh triggers to move on the higher side. So we had expected some positive developments to occur. Probably the hospitality sector and healthcare sector may be the major beneficiaries out of it. However, hospitality sector stocks you should buy only with their long-term perspective. We can expect an trigger to come in the form of auto numbers, which will be coming on the first of the month, and US jobs data, which is likely to come soon. However, a roadblock can be seen in the form of rising corona cases overseas and tightening of the lockdown by Australia, Hong Kong, and who knows, other countries may follow suit. So this can be a dampener for the world market movement, because today markets worldwide are showing a sideways to negative bias, and we equally expect our market to remain sideways, and maybe in second half we might see some uptick. Stocks to monitor are HDFC Life, where we saw a block deal happening, and it is happening at a lower price of some 658 rupees, which is leading to the stock going down. However, HDFC Life has bounced back always and every time after every block deal. Another stock to monitor is Man Infra, and here we have seen a lot of buying by particular operators. This can be a dark horse bet. So do not carry too much long positions till the time the market shows the clear direction. Market is going to be between the range 15,500 and 16,000 range, with the upper range being capped at 16,500. However, for crossing 16,000 we need a new trigger, else the market will be range bound for short while ago with a bearish bias. Stay safe and do remember to wear the mask, and if you like our updates, do remember to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and do press the bell icon so that you get updated as and when we undertake updation on YouTube. And lastly, we are the best bank nifty option tips providers, stock tips for intraday, delivery tips, and commodity tips for intraday at MCX. You can use our expertise to make money. We will leave the URLs in the description box. Thank you.